Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can adjust and customize image and photo saturation and brightness in your Lucidchart presentations and diagrams. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your presentation on Lucidchart, insert the image. If you don't know how to do this, guys, here on the left panel you will see this option here. Let me find it. There, images. Click into images, and after that select this button to locate the file on your device and upload it as a JPEG or PNG to your presentation. You may position it here, resize it, rotate it, connect it with other elements. So if you'd like to adjust the appearance of the image, or including the brightness and the saturation, you will need to access the following menu. Click into the given image with your left mouse and select the fill color feature. And from that menu, select effects. And here you may customize the saturation as well as the brightness and also the contrast by moving these sliders to the right or to the left. And you may also use these buttons here or simply type in your saturation value or level as well as the brightness. You will see the preview to the right. So let me change the brightness because that image looks pretty dark. Click into save. And there it is. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.